This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your watch history on the YouTube app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the YouTube app opened up. To delete your watch history, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to tap on the little gear wheel in the upper right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Manage All History and tap on Manage All History. That'll take you to a page that looks something like this, and then you'll scroll down just a little ways and right here you see it says Delete. I'm going to tap the little drop down. Do I want to delete for today? Do I want to delete a custom range? Or do I want to delete all time? I'm just going to go with delete today. That will delete my information from only today. Deletion is complete. I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to tap on Got It. That is how to delete your YouTube watch history using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.